Hey, in this video, I'll show you a very simple support and resistance strategy and how you can play stop loss as well based on support and resistance areas so you do not get wrecked. This is going to be a simple video, so you better watch it until the end. As a bonus, if you do, I'll show you how to get $525 worth of bonuses from my sponsor at MEXC. Slap the like button or I will slap you subscribe because I'm trying to hit 50k subscribers and my enemies are coming and told me, Nick, you better get 50k subscribers ASAP. Let's talk about the one and only support and resistance strategy. It starts with higher time frames. You can do it in lower time frames. I prefer the 3-hour chart, but I know some of you guys do not want to pay anything for TradingView. I do not understand that. I have the biggest plan because I think that it's worth it. If you want to support the channel, you can check my links for TradingView in the description down below. But it works on the 4-hour, and it's very simple. You do not want to use too much leverage on the 4-hour chart because you will get wrecked. Price movements are huge. I just want to warn you, give a few warnings, right? If there's 20-30% price movements here with 3x leverage, you would get wrecked. With 2x leverage very likely on altcoins. So this is for intraday swing trading. If you want to use leverage, use the 4 or 5 minute chart, depending on if you have the paid version. 4 minute works really well, by the way. So here is the support resistance area. If we long right here, what we want to do is, if we have a long right here, is place our stop loss just below this area, because this is the support. You can see there's price hit this area a few times. You can see that, right? It hit this area a few times. It hit it here, here, here. So this is my support here. This is my resistance area, because when price hit this area, we had the resistance, and as soon as it broke this area, it had resistance. And you shouldn't treat this as just a line if it goes above here, but as a zone. So if price goes above this zone, right? Because it can go up to here and go down, right? You want to have this as a zone, this as a zone, and I would advise you to, because this can be a support area, right? If you're looking too long and you wait here, you might not catch it. But seeing this 2 candles, you would know that as soon as we go in this area, you would want to have an alert, maybe here, set an alert here, and somewhere around here you would want to take a long position. Stop loss would be below this area in this situation. So if we have our long right here, in this example, the stop loss would be the lowest point right here, maybe even here, 27,857, 27,857. And our take profit would be the resistance zone, or the resistance zone, not price, zone. So as soon as we hit here on the first pullback right here, we probably would have closed our trade because I was going to look at the 5-minute chart. So this is a 26% increase. And basically, you always want to have these zones drawn out, right? You can extend this here. This was valid here. We had the resistance here. There was probably respected a few times here as well. Let me just draw it for you. This support normally acts as resistance as well. You can see it's a big area, I know, but it was respected a few times. Look at this: resistance, support, resistance. Support basically is price doesn't go below, resistance doesn't go above. Since you stayed and watched the video until the end, here is how you can get the $525. Go and sign up for MEXC using the link in the description down below. They're the best exchange to trade altcoins. There's the campaign ends in 12 days. You better hurry. After you sign up using my link, you need to sign up using the second link, the fans link. And this is it. That's all we gotta do. Keep in mind that the video is no financial advice, and I know you can have questions. I reply to every single comment. So just let me know in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.